Hi students, Standard 7, Part 2, Subject Mathematics. Lesson 2, Fractions and Decimals. In your last class, we have already learned about types of fractions and we have solved exercise 2.1. Now, I hope all the children has completed your notebook. And today we are going to study multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of a fraction by a whole number. To multiply a whole number with a proper or an improper fraction, we multiply the whole number with the numerator of the fraction, keeping the denominator same. For example, 2 by 7 is a fraction multiplied by whole number, that is 3, is equal to. So when you multiply proper or improper fraction, first you have to multiply the whole number with the numerator. So here numerator is 2 and whole number is 3. So 2 3s are 6 divided by, write the denominator as it is, same. So that is 6 by 7. Next, to multiply mixed fraction to a whole number, first convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction and then multiply. For example, 3 multiplied by 2 5 by 7. Here 2 5 by 7 is a mixed fraction. First you have to convert to improper fraction. So 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 5, that is 19 by 7. Now one whole number and this is improper fraction. So multiply this whole number and numerator. So 19 3s are 57 divided by 7. Again you have to convert to mixed fraction. So by dividing, already you know, divide 57 by 7. 7 8s are 56. Now 56 minus this. 57 minus 56, that is 1. So that is 8. 1 by 8. 1 by 7. Next topic. A fraction acts as an operation of. For example, 1 by 2 or 4. So in a fraction, whenever you have seen of, it means you have to multiply. So of represents multiplication. That is 1 by 2. Of means multiplication. So multiply by 4. Now 2 ones are 2. You can cut here. That is 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. Now 2 ones are 2. So of represents multiplication in a fraction. Now exercise 2.2, question number 1. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert into a mixed fraction. So whenever you get answer in improper fraction, you have to convert to mixed fraction. So question first one, 7 multiplied by 3 by 5. So what you have to do? You have to multiply the numerator with whole number. So here whole number is 7 and numerator is 3. So 7 multiplied by 3 divided by, write the denominator same. So that is 5. 7 3s are 21. 21 by 5. So you have to convert to mixed fraction. So this is improper. So convert to mixed fraction. So that is 21 by 5. So 5 4s are 20. 21 minus 20, that is 1. So that is 4 1 by 5. Question number 2. 4 multiplied by 1 by 3. Again, one whole number and one is improper fraction. So it's a fraction. So first multiply the numerator and whole number. So 4 ones are divided by, write the denominator same, that is 3. 4 ones are 4. 3 ones are 3. Now you can convert yourself. It's a improper fraction. So divide 4 by 3, you will get 1 1 by 3. So that work you have to do yourself. Third one, 2 multiplied by 6 by 7. So here whole number is 2 and numerator is 6. 2 6 are 12 divided by, right, the denominator same, that is 7. 12 by 7, again it is an improper fraction, convert to mixed fraction. So 12 divided by 7. So divide 7 ones are 7. 12 minus 7, that is 5. This division part you have to do yourself. 4 divided by, do it yourself. Now question number 4. 5 multiplied by 2 by 9, and question number 5, 2 by 3 multiplied by 4. This you can do it as homework. Question number 6, 5 by 2 multiplied by 6. Again 5 is numerator, 6 is whole number, so 5 multiplied by 6 divided by 2. 5 6 are, so here we can cut first, so that is 2 and 6. 2 ones are 2 and here 2 threes are 6. Now 5 multiplied by 3, that is 15. Question number 7. 11 multiplied by 4 by 7. So 11 multiplied by, numerator here 4. So 11 fours are divided by 7. 11 fours are 44. 44 by 7. It's an improper fraction. Convert to mixed fraction by dividing 44 by 7. So divide 44 by 7. You all know 7 6 are 42. 44 minus 42, that is 2. Yes. Now question number 8. 20 multiplied by 4 by 5. So multiply 20 into 4 by 5. Now we can cut 5 and 20. Here 5 ones are 5 and here is 5 fours are 20. Now 4 into 4, these 4 fours are 16. So answer is 16. Again 9 and 10, it's homework for you. First one at 13 multiplied by 1 by 3 and 16 multiplied by 3 by 5. You can do the same. Now question number 2, shade. First one, 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. Question number 2, 2 by 3 of the triangles in box B. And third one, 3 by 5 of the squares in box C. So 1 by 2 of the circles in box A. First you have to count how many circles are in box A. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 circles in box A. So 1 by 2 of means what? Multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiplied by, there are 12 circles, so multiply by 12. So the answer is, number of circles in box A. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 by 2 of number of circles in box A is equal to 1 by 2 of means multiplication, and total how many circles are there? 12. So multiply by 12. Now we can cut 2 and 12. Both are multiples of 2. So here 2 ones are 2 and here 2 6 are 2. Now 1 multiplied by 6. So that is 6. So how many circles you have to shade? 6. So from this box A, any 6 circles you can shade. Question number 2. Number of triangles in box B. So how many triangles here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write 9 here. 2 by 3 of number of triangles in box B is equal to 2 by 3 of means multiplication, so multiply by 9. Again we can cut 3 and 9. Both are multiples of 3. The 3 ones are and 3 threes. Now 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6. 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 6. So how many triangles should be shaped? So any 6 triangles from this box A. Any 6 triangles from box B you have to shape. Question number 3. Find first one 1 by 2 of 24. So 1 by 2 of 24 is equal to 1 by 2 of means multiplication into 24. We can cut 2 and 24. Both are multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twelves are 24. So 1 multiplied by 2, 12. So that is equal to 12. Question number 2, 46. So 1 by 2 of 46. Of means multiplication. So 1 by 2 multiplied by 46. Again cut 2 and 46. Both are multiples of 2. 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 and 2 threes are 6. So that is 23 multiplied by 2 is equal to 46. So 1 into 23, answer is 23. B. 2 by 3 of 18. So 2 by 3 of 18. Again of means multiplication. So 2 by 3 multiplied by 18. 3 and 18 both we can cut. So here 3 ones are 3 and here 3 6 are 18. Now 2 multiplied by 6, that is 2 multiplied by 6, that is 12. Question number 2, 27. So 2 by 3 of 27, that is 2 by 3 multiplied by 27. Again cut 3 and 27. 3 ones are 3 and 3 nines are 27. Now 2 multiplied by 9. So 2 nines are 18. So answer is 18. See 3 by 4 of first one 16. So 3 by 4 of 16 is equal to 3 by 4 multiplied by 16. Cut 4 and 16. 4 ones are 4. 4 fours are 16. Now 3 multiplied by 4, that is 3 fours are 12. So what is the answer? 12. Now second one we can do it as homework. Question number D, 4 by 5 of 20. So 4 by 5 of 20. Of means multiplication. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 20. Again 5 and 20 both are multiples of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 fours are 20. Multiply 4 into 4. 4 fours are 16. So what is the answer here? 16. Again second one you can do it as homework, that is 35. Question number 4. Multiply and express as a mixed fraction. So first convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction, then you have to multiply. After that again write the answer in mixed fraction. First one 3 multiplied by 5 1 by 5. Here 5 1 by 5 is a mixed fraction. First you have to convert to improper fraction. So 5 multiplied by 5 25, 25 plus 1 26. So 3 multiplied by 26 upon 5. Now one whole number, one numerator, both you have to multiply. 26 multiplied by 3, that is 78 upon 5. Now you have to convert to mixed fraction because it is an improper fraction. So 78 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5. 7 minus 5, that is 2. And here is 8, that is 28. Again 5 5 5s are 25. 28 minus 25, that is 3. So 15 is the quotient. 15 is the quotient, 3 is the remainder, and 5 is the divisor. Answer is 15, 3 upon 5. Now question number B. 5 multiplied by 6, 3 by 4. Again, 6, 3 by 4 is a mixed fraction. First you have to convert to improper fraction. So 6 4s are 24, 24 plus 3, 27. So 5 multiplied by 27 by 4. Now multiply 27 into 5. 27 5s are 135 upon 4. It's a improper fraction. First you have to convert to mixed fraction by dividing. So divide 135 by 4. This division part you can do it as yourself and check the answer is correct. So that is 4 3s are 12. 30 minus 12, that is 1. 5 comes here. Again 4 3s are 12. 15 minus 12, that is 3. So 33 is the quotient. Now 3 is the remainder and 4 is the divisor. So answer is 33 3 by 4. Question number C. 7 multiplied by 2 1 by 4. Again 2 1 by 4, it's an mixed fraction. Convert to improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 1 9. So 7 multiplied by 9 by 4. 7 9s are 63 upon 4. Divide 63 by 4. So we'll get 15 3 by 4. So division part you can do it as yourself. Question number D. 4 multiplied by 6 1 by 3. Again convert 6 1 by 3 as improper fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1, that is 19 by 3. So 19 4s are 76. 76 upon 3. So when you divide you will get 25 1 by 3. So division part both you have to do yourself. And check the division is correct and mixed fraction is correct or not. Both division you have to do yourself. Question number E and F, that is homework for you. 3 1 by 4 multiplied by 6 and 3 2 by 5 multiplied by 8. Do it in your notebook or this homework or this class works. Question number 4. Find first one 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 2 3 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2 of means multiplication. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, that is 11 by 4. Now 11 1s are 11. 4 2s are 8. We can convert this again into mixed fraction by dividing 11 and 8. So 11 divided by 8. 8 1s are 8. 11 minus 8, that is 3. So what is the answer? 8. So 1 3 by 8. 1 3 by 8. Question number 2. 4 2 by 9. So 1 by 2 of 4 2 by 9 is equal to 1 by 2 of means multiplication. Its mixed fraction convert to improper fraction. 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 2, that is 38 by 9. Now we can cut 2 and 38. Both are multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2 and 2 19s are 38. Now 19 1s are 19 and 9 1s are 9. Convert again into improper fraction. Convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction. So 19 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. 19 minus 18, that is 1. So answer is 2 1 by 9. Question number B. 5 by 8 of First one, 3 5 by 6. So 5 by 8 of 3 5 by 6 is equal to 5 by 8 of means multiplication 3 5 by 6. Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 5, that is 23 upon 6. Now multiply 23 5s, that is 115 upon 8 4s are 48. Again, it's an improper fraction. Convert to mixed fraction by dividing 115 by 48. So divide 115 by 48, that is 48 2s are 96. Now subtract, so that is 9 and here 1. So that is 219 upon 48. Now second one, 9 2 by 3, you can do it as homework. Question number 8. Vidya and Pratap went for a picnic. Their mother gave them a water bottle that contained 5 liters of water. So what is the capacity of water bottle? That is 5 liters. Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Pratap consumed the remaining water. How much water did Vidya drink? What fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drink? So liters of water contained in one bottle, that is 5 liters, already given in the question, 5 liters of water. And how much Vidya consumed? She consumed 2 by 5 of the water. So that is 2 by 5 of means multiplication. How much water is there? It is 5 liters. So write the 5 liter. Now here 5 and 5 both are multiples of 5. We can cut. So that is 5 ones are 5. Again here also 5 ones are 5. Now 2 multiplied by 1. So 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 liters. So how much Vidya consumed? Vidya drank 2 liters of the water. The next question is, what fraction of the total quantity of water did Pratap drank? So there are 5 liters of water in a bottle, and how much Vidya consumed? She consumed 2 liters of water. So how much remaining? 5 liter minus 2 liter. So that the answer is 3 liters. So 3 liters of water consumed by who? Pratap. Okay, so Pratap consumed 3 liters of water. Next, liters of water Pratap consumed. That is total 5 liter minus how much Vidya consumed? 2 liters. So 5 liter minus 2 liter, that is 3 liters. But we want fraction of the total quantity. So right, fraction of total quantity of water did Pratap drank. So how much Pratap consumed? 3. So 3 upon how much total water contained in a bottle? That is 5. So fraction is 3 upon 5. Is it clear for you? Yes. Now homework. This you have to do in your workbook. Page number 11, 12, 13. These are fill-ups and true or false. You can do it yourself. If any doubt, you can ask in the WhatsApp group. In this video, we have studied multiplication of fraction, that is proper, improper and mixed fraction by a whole number, and we have solved exercise 2.2. In exercise 2.2, question number 1 and 2 you have to solve in the textbook, and question number 3 onwards, which are the sums I explained, and homeworks you have to do in the notebook, and workbook homework you have to do in the workbook. The chapter will continue in the next video. Thank you.